pepper. Alright guys, so this is my lunch for today. So all the vegetables I shared with you earlier, but every vegetable except the lemons are from my gardening. So this is my stir fry after watching Angel Love Garden. I watched her do a stir fry of her kohlrabi. Now I don't have any more kohlrabi. Now y'all, she don't last around here. But I do have some growing. Anyway, I have some shrimp and green beans. Well, you all saw all that. The garlic scapes. They're so good. Oh, yeah, the shrimp is nice. I love it. And onion, garlic scapes, beets, green beans. Oh yeah, baby. Oh guys, this is so good. So good. There's some fruits back there. French bread. I feel blessed right now, y'all. I feel blessed. Everything is so good. Let me put this fork down for a minute. Let me get this shrimp. I left the tails on. So good. The greens and the beets, look really dark in there, but it's good stuff. Oh my. Listen, guys, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. All right? Wherever family. Oh, Stella Rosa. Stella Berry, baby. All right. Let me go finish my lunch. It's raining hard outside, but I have enough food for another, or at least for dinner. So, if the lights go out, that's all right. I got a little propane stove. I'll heat me up some of this food right here. But anyway, guys, y'all have a great day. Later, y'all.